Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Angel and today I'm going to unbox my R.E.M Beauty order. I bought myself some R.E.M Beauty because I don't know, I wanted it, and also it was my birthday, so I thought, you know what, this is going to be a present to myself and I think I deserve it. Because we all deserve whatever we want, as long as it's good, you know what I mean. I've already opened the front so you don't see my address and stuff, but this is what it looks like. And this is a concealer. Oh, they talk about the concealer. Oh, they have samples. I think I'm the lightest shade that they have here. Which is this? Fair 9N. Huh. Interesting. I will try it. But not now. That's for another day. Anyways, let's get into the box. I am so excited. You have no idea. I love makeup. I love makeup so much. I know I'm like a spiritual meditation channel and all of that. But I love makeup as well. You know, why not be both? So inside there is this. It smells like paper. So my item number one is this R.E.M Beauty. How is it called in English? Oh, here. I was like, it's in French, and I am French, so I could, but I was like, this is so weird. It's also something I've noticed. Beauty products, they're always written in French and then in English, and I don't understand why. Is that like a secret, something about makeup? I don't know. Anyways, this is the eyeshadow palette in the shade, or like in the type Smitten Kitten from the Midnight Shadows collection. And it says, create your own velvet illusions with this versatile mix of romantic neutral mattes and shimmers that you can wear from daylight to midnight. Which is exactly what I want. And then we have this little lip oil essential drip in the shade Raspberry Drip. So I'm going to open this first. Doesn't smell anything yet. This is what it looks like. Look at this beauty. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's so cute. I love this. This looks so good. I love this packaging so far. Okay, let me get I think it's going to smell like raspberry, but I'm not sure. So let's... Oh, there we go. It smells like raspberry. Would you believe? And what I find interesting about this lip product is that this doe foot has a metal ball or something. I've never seen this before in my life, and I am a lip product fanatic. Like I always have something on my lips. So yeah, I'm going to try this right now. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. I'm almost... I'm sorry, I'm a little like, I've been waiting for this. Anyways, let's try it. What? The ball is cooling. It's cold. I don't know if it's because it's cold outside, but yeah. And it's light. Okay. This is beautiful. It's so light. It's not like a gloss, because with glosses sometimes it can get heavy in a way. Like you wear the gloss and you feel like you're wearing a gloss. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything right now. Yeah, no, you can feel that you're wearing something, but it's very light and it smells so good. I can smell it. Very good. Yeah, big fan of that. The next thing I'm going to open is this eyeshadow palette, and on one side it says all of the shades of the name. The names are Crush, Hit Send, Next, Love Bite, Flirt, and All Nighter. I'm so excited, you have no idea. Okay, does this smell? It smells like paper. I love that. Okay. Ooh la la! And it has like that double package thing, where there's cardboard on the inside, which is a good thing, so that it doesn't get all scratched up when it goes from, where is it again? Somewhere in California to the Netherlands to Denmark. I think I waited for 3 weeks or something, but it was stuck in the Netherlands for like a week in customs. I don't know. Anyways, I have it. That's the most important. So this is what it looks like. I've been wondering how big these palettes were, because I've been eyeing R.E.M Beauty for so long, and I've been thinking, oh, I don't know how big it is. I have a, oh, I'm sorry, I fell on my wrist. Yeah. Yeah, I've been eyeing these palettes for so long, and I've been thinking, how big are they? I have small hands, very small hands. I don't know if you can like tell, but for my height, I have very small hands, and it sometimes looks a little stupid, but compared to my hand, I don't know how big in centimeters this could be, like maybe 13, 15 centimeters tall, and then like 5, 6, 7 centimeters wide like this, and it's actually very skinny, which is so good because I love having makeup with me all the time. So, and it's magnetic. Love that. Okay, what do we have? Here they are. Okay, how do they look? One of them is kind of scratched, but that's okay, you know. Maybe it was the Dutch people or something in customs. And there's a mirror here so you can see me. Hello. So this is what the colors look like. I'm going to change the color on my ring light so you can see like in all the lights. Where was I think it was here. Yeah. So this is what the colors look like. It kind of reminds me of a Neapolitan ice cream, you know, a little bit. It doesn't smell of anything, I think. And there are 2 matte shades, and the rest is a tiny bit metallic. So I'm going to swatch them for you. This is very smooth to the touch. Yeah, the first color is very much like my skin. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's a pink streak there. You can't. So I have my swatches ready here. The first one here is called Crush, the one that you can barely see because it's basically my color. Then we have this shade called Hit Send. We have Next, Love Bite, which is gorgeous. And oh, in the middle here we have Flirt, and then this one, which is All Nighter. These shades are so beautiful, and they are exactly what I've been wanting in a palette, because these are the shades that I use every day. So I'm going to make an everyday look with this and try it on and see how it looks on my eyes. Also, I love that there is a mirror in here. I know it's not a new thing, but I love it. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to start with this shade that is like my eye color. No, not my eye color, my skin color, as a base on my eye here. It goes on very smoothly. I am now officially wearing Crush on my eyelids. It's cute, you know, for a day. You can just wear this if you want to be like chic or something. You can just wear this and be like, I'm done for the makeup for today. But I'm thinking about sprucing this look a little bit and put this Flirt, this one, this gorgeous peach metallic on next. And when I use metallics, I use my finger because I feel like it packs better than a brush. So I'm just gonna use this. Oh, look at this, so beautiful. Don't focus on me. I don't know if it's focusing. Anyways, this is so gorgeous, very beautiful and subtle. This is perfect. Okay. We like that. And then I'm gonna go in with this next and put it like here, a tiny bit here and here. And then I'm gonna do some liner with it, because that's what I do. So a tiny bit, just a touch, like a little shadow. Just to illuminate my eyes a tiny bit, I will be using a brush like this and putting a tiny bit of sparkly eyeshadow here. I've done that for a few years and it opens up the eyes a little bit because I have small eyes. Something like this. And now I'm gonna do the eyeliner. Ooh. Just like a soft eye. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a soft eye, like a soft eyeliner, which is what I usually do. Now, just for the final touch, because I feel like I could use some more, I'm gonna use a tiny bit of this golden, like almost like burnt wood golden eyeshadow called Hit Scent, and I'm gonna put it just a tiny bit on my eyelid like this, just to oh, this completes it all. Yes, look at me. I'm just gonna go and put on some mascara and I'll be right back and we'll talk about the makeup, my new makeup. Okay, I'll be back. Stay there, don't leave. I love you. I just put on some mascara and I'd have to say I feel like a princess. It feels good. The makeup doesn't feel like very heavy. However, I would say that my lips were dry before putting on anything, and this lip oil didn't, I mean, it did give moisture, but I can, yeah. But I think that's because my lips were like super dehydrated, and maybe that's why. But I really, this thing is wonderful. I know that this is going to be like a staple for me. I'm one of those people who has their lip products on rotation, or not rotation, but it's more like, this is my work gloss, this is my at home, this is when I want to feel pretty, this is for when I am on a date, you know. So yeah, I don't know what this gloss is going to be, or lip oil is going to be yet, but I can't wait to use it a lot more because it smells just fantastic. For the product itself, like just smelling it is, I don't know, I don't remember how much I spent on all of this. So yeah, but I mean, yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it, and if I can, I will absolutely buy more. And also, how do we feel about this palette? First of all, gorgeous, cute, love the size, very user-friendly, you know, it's like small, you can have it with you everywhere, just when you're traveling, when you're, you know, between things or something, I don't know. It's perfect. The size is perfect. I love this. It also kind of feels like Polly Pocket. There's something about it that, yeah. Anyways, maybe that's just palettes in general. But the shades, they're very cute. Very cute. And I know that I will use them a lot because those are like my staple shades. I use these shades like all the time. I have a palette that I use daily, which is by Ether Beauty, which is a very good company, and I love their products. But sometimes it's a little big to bring with me, and it doesn't fit into my makeup bag. And another thing is that there's no mirrors, so that's kind of like what is on the downside of it. There's no mirrors in it because it they want it to be like 100% recyclable, and it, yeah, like I understand, but at the same time I do wish there was like a tiny like little window to see yourself in it. But this is a good like if I, if I want to bring my makeup somewhere, this is a good candidate to be like my next everyday palette. It looks gorgeous. Love the colors. The color payoff is good, I would say. Yeah, I would say it's good. Could be a little more pigmented, but I think it will look very good. And I haven't tried it because I'm stupid right now and I didn't think about it before right now. But for metallics, use water. It will look even more magnetic and magical if you use it with water. That's a known thing. Yeah. So yes, all in all, I am very happy that I finally received these things. I think I ordered everything on the 11th of November and I got it today, December 2nd. Yeah, very happy with it. And I'm gonna go walk around and feel like a princess for the rest of the day with my new makeup. So yes, if you have anything from R.E.M Beauty, what is your favorite things? Is there anything like I need to buy from R.E.M Beauty? Because I love makeup so much. It is one of my, I was going to say filet mignon, but that's not that's not what I meant. It's one of those things that I can't keep myself away from makeup. It's just yeah. And also, if you have these products like the Smitten Kitten or this raspberry drip, do you like it? Does it work for you? Is it like, what's your skin tone and does it work for you? Because this works great for me because, I'm this color. This is my color. But I can, I don't know. That's what I'm interested in hearing. So yes, that's all for my little unboxing and first glimpse at R.E.M Beauty. So yeah, I am so happy it's here and I'm so excited to use it. That's all for me today. I hope you enjoyed this little video, which is kind of long now, I guess. And I hope you all have a beautiful day. I love you so much. Please subscribe to me. I'm at this point almost desperate for it. Maybe. And like this video and comment whatever you want. And I hope I will see you very soon. Really. And yeah, I love you all so much. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. I am grateful for you all. Bye-bye. Mwah!